Why it's critical to price your house right. When you make a move, you want to sell your house for the highest price possible. That might be why many homeowners are eager to list in today's seller's market. After all, with record low inventory and high buyer demand, many homes are selling for more than asking price. Data from National Association of Realtors (NAR) shows 46% of homes are selling above list price today. But even in a market like we have now, working with an agent to set the price right is critical, as pricing too high or too low could have a negative impact on your final sale. Here's why. Pricing your house right is crucial even in a seller's market. The price you set for your house sends a message to potential buyers. Price it too low, and you may raise questions about the house condition or leads buyers to assume something is wrong with the property. Not to mention, you could leave money on the table, which decreases your future buying power if you undervalue your house. On the other hand, price it too high and you run the risk of deterring buyers. When that happens, you may have to do a price drop to try to reignite interest in your home when it sits on the market for a while. But be aware that a price drop can be seen as a red flag for some buyers who will wonder why the price was reduced and what that means about the home. In other words, thinking of pricing your home at a target. Your goal is to aim directly for the center, not too high, not too low, but right at market value. Pricing your house fairly based on market conditions increases the chance you will have more buyers who are interested in purchasing it. That makes it more likely you'll see a bidding war too. And when a bidding war happens, you'll likely get an even higher final sale price. Plus, when homes are priced right, they tend to sell quickly. To get a look into the potential downsides of over or underpricing your house and the perks that come with pricing it at market value, lean on a professional's expertise to price your house right. There are several factors to go into pricing your house, and balancing them is the key. That's why it's important to lean on the expert real estate advisor when you're ready to move. A local real estate advisor is knowledgeable about the value of homes in your neighborhood, the current demand of houses in today's market, the condition of your house, and how it affects the value. A real estate professional will balance these factors to make sure the price of your house makes the best first impression and gives you the greatest return on your investment in the end. Bottom line, even in the seller's market, pricing your house right is critical. Don't rely on guesswork. Let's connect to make sure your house is perfectly priced. My name is Tony and I'm your local realtor and loan officer. Please let me know if I can assist you with anything, whether you need a pre-approval letter or want the right value for your house or any other real estate related advice. Please feel free to call, text, or email me anytime. I'll be more than glad to assist you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.